Hello! In this video I want to show you how to use the carry-on refiller on any disinfectant container, like small or big, whatever. Or if you prefer a filling station, how to very easily transform it into a filling station within seconds. To refill the ball, just take any container that you can find with disinfectant in there and pump the disinfectant out of the container. Full. Works the same way with any container, also the small ones. But if you prefer a filling station, then you can very easily transform the carry-on refiller into a filling station within seconds by following these steps. Take any container, in this case an empty marmalade glass, take the nail that we deliver with the package, put it anywhere on the lid where you want to, we prefer the middle. Take a hammer, careful, and got a hole in there. Then take the nail again and move it around a little bit like this to make the hole a round and even hole. Remove the little rubber piece from the carry-on refiller by just pulling it off and press it into the hole until it clicks. Now it's in there. Now take the lid of the glass and pry the pipe in so that only about 3 centimeters stick out over the lid, like this. Now it might be a little bit too long to close the glass, so what you do now is take a scissor, not to cut it directly, but to carve into the material. Measure the right length and then just gently carve into the material all around. And then the nice thing about this is you can just easily break it off, like this. Now it should fit. And your refilling station is finished. That easy.